how are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our math online class. Let's start it. Count and circle the correct numbers. इनको count करना है, then we have to circle the correct numbers. Firstly, we have to count the objects. How many ducks are there? There are 6 ducks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to circle the number 6. Okay. Now look at here. How many clouds are there? There are 12 clouds. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. So we have to circle the number 12. Okay. Now count it. How many pencils are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pencils. So we have to circle the number 3. Okay. Now look at here. How many stars are there? Count it. 1,